Is it as slippery as you hoped?
More.
That's where you fell. "2014 snowpocalypse with an inch of freezing rain, 2 or 3 inches of freezing rain on top of it."
You should go give the driveway a try.
You'll wind up in the road and not be able to get out.
How about I want to watch that? It's like you're on a drum. Why don't you just stand up and quit fooling around?
You're gonna have bruised hips.
That's what he wants. He's doing it on purpose. He knows very well how to walk out there. He just doesn't want to. It's more fun to fall over. That's why he's taking a keto.
You come try.
No,
You
thank
act like
you.
you act like I've never been in this kind of weather before. It happened like every year back home. Go give the driveway a try, bro. It's really hard. If you can get through the rose bushes.
Oh, seriously, Joel.
Make it a snow angel.
Turtle trying to get back to sea. Is it slick?
No.
No, I didn't think so.
I'm not sure that one was intentional.
Ian, make some more cracks in the snow. Ice, I mean.
Don't break the rose bush.
Faster, faster! Good sound right there. What was sad is, for him it's slick. For me, I just go right through it until they get out to the driveway, and then I go down. Wow.
Good thing the wind stopped, otherwise everything would be busted.
Broken.
The trees are all bent over.
Yeah, it's heavy.